Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
My fans on the TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, MCA 0. I'm joined by China. Sure.
I'm the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that loves Orlando Pirates.
Definitely.
I'm the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that loves Orlando Pirates. I love Orlando Pirates. I love Orlando Pirates to a level ukuthi mina ngiyi Chiefs ingosi yami ibhakajuju.
Sure.
That's how I love Pirates.
Yes.
Masikhulume ngegames Chibo. What a beautiful game of football.
Yes.
Yabona Chibo, I will analyze this game in terms of a question paper.
Sure.
When you are given a question paper by a principal or by a teacher, to principal or to teacher, this game will be difficult.
Yes.
Whereas mawufika ku question paper ayiyo le noboyitsheli. Pirates ifunde kakhulu ngale game.
Yes.
This game was easier for them.
Yes.
This was the easiest game for them, and Stipo Njayam andifuna ukugama manga. Umbatha was his time to shine, especially in that first half.
Yes.
Umbatha uyeke ukushine. Ibisikhathi sakhe. Yes, he's a good player, but yabona today when it comes to CAF, Umbatha was his time.
Uphakamisa
isandla ukuthi ngikhona. Umbatha was iPirates isebenzise Umbatha. I-secret recipe ibilele lapha kuMbatha.
Okay.
Umbatha if ever Umbatha, I believe ukuthi Umbatha could have played this game. Abe relaxed because of most of the balls bekumele zidlale kuMbatha. Nguye interceptor lamabhola, nguye receiver lamabhola, nguye passer lamabhola. Umbatha was his game.
Yes.
Today, but unfortunately I think confidence nokosaba to concede. Akho easy ukuthi uzoconsider Stipo Njayam because of your away, you know that goal will cost them up to extra time.
Yes.
Unfortunately the Pirates yosaba, but even that team they sosaba ukatheka and that side like a Van Rooyen. Number 3 where MC Alger bekasaba naye ukuthi uzothini akekho lamuntu. Labantu abekho, it's just that iPirates ibe disciplined. I think iPirates iqale ukuthola yellow cards the first half or something. Makaula. Discipline. One thing I observed about Pirates, it's discipline today. If ever Stipo Njayam mangizayivala, it might happen Njayam that in history of CAF, sithole iSundowns nebhakathi. iSundowns yadlula kala. iPirates yadlula kuPyramids. Njayam, this might happen that in the history of football, in the history of Mutsipe ebambe iCAF, sithole the best South African teams. Sithole final South Africa. If ever kwenzekanga, but trust me, to accept the benefits of Mutsipe. We have done the benefits of Mutsipe. Stipo Njayam, Mutsipe usivusile. Man of the match Njayam today, I don't wanna lie, but Umbatha deserved it.
He deserved it.
But akadlalanga orubhodlela. Usibisi kodwa lentwana umbokazi. Kodwa lentwana le TLP. Very calm, very cool, very disciplined. Lo mfana udlala defending ngathi si striker. Lo mfana ayiyo la defender fit nje. Physically is good, but umqondo wakhe. Stipo Njayam is one of the best games lena edlalwe kuBhakania kwiCAF. Awuscore but udlala mind game. This was a game of mind game. Ngiyalithanda mina iBhakania. That's why I'm favorite Bhakania. Njayam, who was the man of the match? Ngubani umthandile
namhlanje?
Beautiful man. Utito besimnidi. Yazi Utito imnidile le game. Le game inide Utito ngala first half. Utito umuntu ozobamba igame avuse ama play. Phakama Mofokeng. Phakama Nkotha. Phakama Masiyeni. Utito umnidile le game. I could have started ngotito even more than Umbatha. Utito umnidile la game ukuthi Utito bathini. You understand? That was one of the ambulances sasethembisa ibabonisa. But Njayam, we are very excited as a country. On behalf of all Kaizer Chiefs fans. On behalf of all Kaizer Chiefs fans, this is not just a win for Pirates. This is the win for the country. This is not the win for the Sundowns yesterday. It's a win for the country. If ever we unite as football fans, I'm a friends with you, everyone. Njayam Saya Fair.
Thank you, China. Mjabuleni ukubona China after a very long time. Ishavu my grand here.